Hello guys, welcome back to my another video. I hope you all will be fine. Today we are discussing about a Sparko Sweets story. We are telling about this story starting in 2014 of Sparko Sweets was founded in sunny Ponam, California, USA. Southern California is known for its bright and enjoyable weather. It feels like we are soaked with rays of happiness every day, and we want to animate and share that positive energy through our lollipops. We believe lollipops only have one purpose, one way to invoke and to bless through visual beauty and delicious taste. We set out to do just this through meticulous craftsmanship and using the best ingredient. We started with the galaxy universe, which is inspired by the infinite possibilities. By the infinite possibility. These are the perfect gift items that have the appeal and to bring smiles. When customers asked to create customization for the Galaxy Lollipop was developed a full interface to allow customers to easily create their own custom lollipops. On our website, custom lollipops allows each individual to have the exact design that they want. It's great. The natural pops line is for health conscious lollipop lovers. Our honey pops do not contain any corn, scrub, and can be fixed well perfectly with tea. Our money and our honey is secured for a social appeal. We have specialty blends of honey with the availability provided by seasons. Our Twinkle Pops are perfect for parties with their 12-inch flexible recyclable lollipop stem. They are delicious to eat and fun to have in hand. Our flavors pop are the corniest lollipop or a delicious flavors packaged well in an air-sealed bag. They come in a variety of a special flavor that we have to use for all our lollipop. I hope you like my video, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and my YouTube channel. Thank you.